What if I told you you don't need a trust fund, a degree from Harvard, or 100,000 Instagram followers to escape the 9-to-5? Because in 2025, freedom isn't reserved for the lucky. It's built by those who know the plan. And today, I'll show you that plan, step by step. Section 1. The Trap. Let's be real. The 9-to-5 wasn't made to make you rich. It was made to keep you stable, barely. You trade your time for just enough money to pay the bills. And by the time you look up, your 20s are gone, and you're still stuck. Sound familiar? Because here's the truth. Most people aren't lazy. They're lost. They don't see a way out because no one taught them how to build one. Section 2. The Mindset Shift. Escaping the 9-to-5 doesn't start with quitting your job. It starts with quitting a mindset. Stop asking, how do I earn more? Start asking, how do I build something that pays me, even when I'm not working? Because wealthy people don't sell time. They build systems. They own assets. They plant seeds and let those seeds grow. Section 3. The 3-step escape plan. Here's the real plan. No fluff, just facts. Step 1. Buy back time, cut distractions. Cut fake flexes. Use your nights and weekends to learn, build, and experiment. You're not too busy. You're just too distracted. Step 2. Build one income stream outside your job, not 5, not 10, just one. Freelancing, dropshipping, digital products, coaching. Pick one. Master it. Scale it. Step 3. Turn income into freedom. As your new income grows, don't upgrade your lifestyle. Upgrade your freedom. Invest it. Systemize it. Eventually, replace your job income. Then, you're free. Section 4. Real talk. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need a big following. You just need consistency and a reason that's bigger than comfort. Because there's someone watching this right now who's going to change their life this year. Why not you? Escaping the 9-to-5 doesn't start with a resignation letter. It starts with a decision. A decision to build something real. If this gave you even one new idea, smash that like button. And for more real, relatable money advice, subscribe to Wealth Sprint. Because here we don't just talk finance, we build freedom. And your sprint starts today.
Subscribe.